Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a default search engine on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave. Once you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From there, click on Search Engine. This section is specifically designed to let you control which search engine Brave uses when you type queries into the address bar, giving you full flexibility over your browsing experience. Now that you're in the search engine settings, look for the section labeled Normal Window. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Change. Click on this button to open up a list of available search engines. This is where you'll choose which search engine you want Brave to use by default whenever you search in a regular browsing window. In the window that appears, you'll see a list of popular search engines like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and others. Browse through the list and click on your preferred search engine. Whether you prefer Google for its comprehensive results, DuckDuckGo for privacy, or any other option, just select the one that suits your needs. After selecting your desired search engine, click the Set as Default button. This confirms your choice and makes it the primary search engine for your normal browsing sessions. Now, if you also want to customize the search engine for private browsing windows, you can do that too. Look for the private window section and right beside it, click the Change button. This opens up the same list of search engines, but this time it's specifically for private browsing mode, which many users prefer to configure differently for added privacy. From the list that appears, select your preferred search engine for private browsing. You might choose a privacy-focused option like DuckDuckGo or stick with the same one you selected for normal windows. Once you've made your selection, click Set as Default to apply the change. This ensures that whenever you open a private window in Brave, it will use the search engine you've chosen here. And that's it. You've successfully set your default search engine on Brave browser for both normal and private windows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.